Good morning, YouTubians. Gary here with VW Jawbreaker. Welcome back. Got a couple quick little things to go over with you. One, we got a good chance of rain today, so it's time that I show you a little something. Now, something that I didn't record, but Levi and I did a really good job. We took this side gate and turned it from a 44-inch to an 84-inch, because the other side of the house, the boat covers up my double gate. So now, gate opens up, and bam, got the 58 home. I didn't bother recording changing out the rear tires, the regular rear tires, and definitely didn't bother recording a whopping 10-minute drive home. That would just seem kind of pointless. So what I think we'll do today is we'll go ahead and go through and we'll show you what kind of parts we have for the 58, because we got quite a bit stacked in there. Yes, I know we're still missing a lot. Let's start digging in here and see what we have. We got good front fender. Do have a pair of 70 rear fenders. I know, definitely not for a 58, but I have ideas. Definitely have ideas. I can't tell you what they are yet. There we go. This one's definitely got some rot to it, but it's all right. We'll take free fenders. This front fender is definitely a little crusty right in through here, but that's something that's repairable. Not too worried about that. Got a couple dents on the top. We got a steering wheel. We got a bumper. Let's see, got another rim. Oh, here you go. Look at that front adjustable beam. When's the last time you saw an old school one like that, huh? That'll be fun. Let's see, we got another smoothie rim. Painted pink. There's some kind of pink thing going on with this car. And we got a pair of front seats. There we go. The other front seat frames are good. They definitely need to be recovered. And we got half of a back seat. It's definitely better than nothing. What else we got? Got some shock mounts, got a training mount, training cradle, got a steering wheel, and a headlight assembly to match the other. That's pretty quick and painless. All right, so overall, we got enough to get started with. I do have heater pans and channels in the building, so that's nice. I do have another 4-tab hood I have to go pick up. But to start with, here's what I'm gonna need. A different set of doors, so I don't wanna do one piece. I like having my vent windows, especially in Florida. It's hot. Not to mention the window regulators are pretty much froze up, bound up. They ain't working. But what I can do is use late 50s to, I think it's what, 64 or something like that, I know these are the wrong door handles, but you can put the ice picks on there because they do have the same proper latch assembly, from what I've been told. So here we go, a little bit better view inside. Definitely gonna need a glove box lid. Got a lot of work to do inside, wiring, floors, channels. Somebody's used some kind of galvanized metal or something there. But the package tray is solid. Around the back is pretty solid. Not sure what that piece of angle iron's doing right there. Windows are good. I would like rear pop-outs, to be honest with you. But then again, who wouldn't? Again, pink. What's up with that? So first up we're gonna do, oh, I got a hole there too. Interesting. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go through and we're gonna go ahead and support the body. We're gonna brace across, then a brace down on both sides. So we can get the body off the chassis, get the chassis in the garage, and then from there we'll go ahead and tackle pans, tackle the tunnel, tackle brakes, all that bajazz, fabric cobble up a bunch of stuff. Oh yeah, the other thing I was going to tell you, dash wise, from what it looks like they just tacked these in, they didn't fully weld them, so I should be able to cut the tacks and go ahead and put bezels back in on both sides. As for the radio delete and these knob deletes, might leave that, I'm not sure. Not sure. And yeah, everything's pretty crusty. It's alright though, but it does have the little hole right there for the reserve on the tank. So that's pretty cool. Definitely pretty cool. I know it's rotted. I know there's a lot to be done. But honestly, besides, really, I mean, floor pans, channels, fix the lower A-pillars on both sides, and it also needs the rear little quarters done. Other than that, the body and the chassis are solid. Really solid. I got the proper tank in there, just needs a couple little pinholes filled. That should be easy enough. Maybe we'll fill them and then coat it. But the plan I have with the car, I can't really tell you guys. Not yet. It'll be coming soon. I promise it'll be coming soon. But we're gonna have some fun with this. And I know I said it in a previous video that a 58's not that desirable. Let me rephrase and finish my thoughts on that. A 58 is desirable. It's not as desirable as a split window or an oval window. I'm excited to get started on this. I really am. I mean, we're looking just those lower corners, front A-pillars, and one little spot on the body. Or was that over here? Yeah, one little spot right there. This can be sanded out. The roof's solid. It's just pitted a little bit. And I got a ladybug on my arm. Check it out. Hello. Oh, flew away. So again, oh yeah, and the front tire well, but again, that may not be a problem compared to what I'm thinking about. So, you guys get any name ideas? Do you have any ideas of what I might be doing to the car? Drop a comment below. Maybe we'll do some kind of contest. Whoever can guess, maybe we'll try to do something for you. I don't know. I think it should be a fun build. It's definitely going to take some time. It's not going to be done anytime soon. I'm still working on the title work for it, so it'll probably be a little while before that's done. It does have a clear title. It is a 58. Just working on getting everything transferred over. And once that's done, we will go ahead and pull the body. Oh, that's right. The cut input shaft. You wouldn't believe it, guys, but I found a good long axle, which I need, transmission, pulled out of a running vehicle. I'm getting it for next to nothing. I just gotta grab the guy and get it from him. But it's just sitting there in his garage. I don't know. What do you guys think? Think this thing's worth saving now? It's definitely got a lot of potential. Doesn't need as much as we thought. Or as much as you thought anyway. I knew what this car needed. And I got it. Check this out. You ready? I got it for the get it out of here price. Yes. Can't go wrong with that. However, I do owe the guy some work. He's a good friend of mine, and I do work up at the shop. I don't record at the shop, the reason being, it's his shop. It's where he makes his money. And I don't feel right filming up there when it's his business. It's his livelihood. It's not always about the video, guys. It's about doing the right thing sometimes. So I owe him a couple engines that I plan on doing for him anyway. So this is kind of a way for him to say thanks. I can't argue. I'm excited. Biggest thing, get the body off, get to work. Man, cannot wait. Oh, need a front window. Front windshield maybe. Nice. All right, y'all. I've rattled enough. I appreciate you sticking around. I know we've got some parts not anywhere near enough to be done. We got a lot to do, but I appreciate you sticking around. Thanks for checking it out, and we'll see you soon. Till the next time, be good.